Problem: my laptop won't turn on. It's turn off at boot up. Just that battery indicator LED light blink one time. Static build-up, bad battery or charger. I already check and they're fine, but it won't turn on. Solution: in this problem you need to do remove and add again your all type of memory, like RAM, HDD, SSD, or CMOS battery. CMOS battery is not a memory type hardware, but still, if you face this problem, then you can do that. This screw is part of DVD slot. For open your laptop back cover you can use screwdriver or tool like this. Well done. Now this laptop is ready to start. Almost there.